Hi, my name is Caroline Hobbs, and I'm your local Silicon Valley real estate expert. One question I often get from clients looking to buy or sell in Silicon Valley is, how much does it cost to update a kitchen or bathrooms? You name it. And after they ask, the next thing they ask is, will this add value to my home? These are great questions that have also inspired this video. So let's take a look at both common cost for making these upgrades and the potential return on investment. There are two different classes of upgrades, so to speak. First, we have the functional upgrades. These are things like the roof, water heater, plumbing, etc. Second are the cosmetic upgrades, like remodeling a bathroom or kitchen, or maybe installing new hardwood floors throughout. Functional upgrades, or maintenance, are not sexy and don't really get anyone excited. Have any of your friends ever bragged to you about their brand new $20,000 roof? Probably not. Do they add value? Sure, but don't make these repairs in an effort to make more money on your home. Upgrades like these will be required throughout the lifetime of your home ownership. A home that is updated but has been well cared for will receive more offers and will sell for more money than a home that has not. Buyers should realize that they're not buying a brand new property when they visit your home. So it's expected that there are going to be items that will need to be replaced or upgraded either immediately or sometime down the road. If there is a major repair that's needed, making the repair can help, not detract from the value of your home when you try to sell it. But I wouldn't necessarily call that a profit-generating repair. Now, cosmetic upgrades can be made profitably if done correctly. Thanks to HGTV and all of the house flipping shows, I know many of my clients have had big hopes for improving the design of their homes. However, it's important to distinguish when you will see a return and when you're just making the upgrade for yourself. Kitchens and bathrooms sell homes. A basic bathroom could cost anywhere from $6,000 to $10,000 to remodel, and a kitchen can cost anywhere from $15,000 to over $50,000, depending on how crazy you go with all of the finishes and appliances. Here are a few tips I've put together for you guys at home. Upgrades should be made with materials that are in line with the value of your home. For example, you wouldn't want to spend $10,000 on a built-in Sub-Zero refrigerator for a home worth only $900,000, when other homes in this range feature a $2,000 slide-in model. And even those are negotiable in the sale. If updating prior to selling, then make sure you're choosing materials that are going to appeal to a large audience. You may love green granite countertops, but quartz is very popular right now. So even though it's not your favorite, it's likely to help sell your home to the right buyer. Many people prefer hardwood flooring to carpet simply because it's easier to clean. Do you have carpet in your home now? Has it been installed for more than 5 years? Chances are you are seeing wear and possible stains. Replacing the carpet or switching to hardwood or tile will absolutely help capture the interest of buyers. Remember, to you, this home is old news. To potential buyers, it's new for them. You only have one chance to make a first impression, so cleaning things up a bit on the inside can really help us generate more interested buyers and help you net more on the sale of your home. Thank you so much for joining me to discuss value-adding upgrades you can do before listing your home. My contact information can be found in the description below. I also have some excellent buyer and seller resource guides linked below in case you're interested. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up and hit subscribe. Thank you again for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.